Okay everybody, today I got with this Hyundai Accent 2011. Let's take a look at this car, review it from outside and inside. Look at the body, as you can see here. Here's the first door from the driver's side. You can see that it has some rust here at the bottom. And here we got the rear door. Show you the rust here. Back to the door. Let's check out the other side. There's this door from the passenger side. This one's quite clean. Cleaner than the other side. And here I just opened the trunk here. Everything looks just fine. No cuppings. Let's take out the engine.
Here we go inside the car right now. Let's start here by starting the engine. Let's put on first. Okay, the fan is on, lights are on. Now let's start the engine. Alright, engine started very smoothly. No problems at all. Let's now try to accelerate. See the RPMs here, and listen to the engine sound as well. The accelerations goes high very fast, very easily. One more time. Let me show you from the bottom here. Brakes are also in a very good condition. Let's check out the window control here. This one works just fine. So the other side. And this side. And the other side over here, if you can see it. Okay. Now, let's check out here the functions. Maybe try the radio. Okay, seek new channels. So as you can see, the radio and speakers work perfectly. They sound very clear, no problems at all. Now let's check out the AC here. I'll switch on the fan first. Well, the coldest. Is it on? Okay. It's on. You can hear the sound of the wind. The wind is blowing really strong. And it's very cool air. So the AC works perfectly as well. It's an automatic transmission here, as you can see. Okay, so that should be everything. But before we finish, let's take a look at the seats one more last time. Seats here are quite clean. And now that should be the end of the review here from the inside. Alright, here we go. I just opened the engine room here. Take a look at it, show you the edges. Everything looks just fine. No smoke. And no oil coming out. Everything looks and sounds just alright. Let's now go check the interior and everything inside the car.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo deseen. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
Alright, finishing here the review of this Accent 2011. As you have seen, the car is in a very good condition. Everything works just fine, except for the rust outside and above the wheels. Other than that, the car works just fine. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.